platform that we are creating. So instead of doing this, we'll do row, okay, if previous row index equals to 0, we'll do this. Oh no, okay. So this is what we will not do. Okay, but instead what we can do is row equals to previous row index minus random.range. So we'll start from 1 as in the next row will be directly below the previous row, or oh sorry, so it should be plus 4, so it will be 1 to 3. Okay, and we will set the row as the, or rather we'll set the previous row index as the row. Oh no, row index. Okay, we shouldn't set it yet. Okay, we should set it over here once we have decided the row. Okay, so and where do we first update the previous row index? We do that when we create the top row, or rather the top platform, which is the first platform. Over here. So previous row index equals to the first row. Alright. So that should create platforms from top to bottom. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, seems like somewhere it went into an infinite loop. So, okay, it caused Unity to crash. Okay, so that means inside the get next row column method, we need to make sure that it doesn't get stuck in the loop. What? Okay, let's try 2 to 4 instead. Okay, let's hope that we do not crash Unity again. Okay, so we managed to crash Unity again. That is not good. So the only reason that it's possible to crash Unity is because by doing this, we are constantly going to a point where the method determines that it's too near to other platforms. So it will keep searching and searching and searching and searching. Okay, so you set this at 1. Or another possible reason that it's crashing because besides the first platform, the second and the third platform needs to have its row index set to the previous row index. Okay, so let's do that. Right, so this is for the first platform. Okay, but for the second platform, okay, we also have to update it. Okay, the second platform is always slightly below the first platform. Okay, and so is the third platform. Alright, so let's test that now. So the previous row index is always updated to the third platform. So we will start creating platforms from top to down from the third platform. Okay, but seems like it is crashing Unity as well, which means that it's still going into an infinite loop. Okay, let's see. Okay, so for the third platform, we will check which row it is at. Third platform is at row. Third platform row. Okay, we will comment this. Debug.log getting row at plus row. Okay. And previous, or rather before getting row, previous row index is at previous row index. Okay, so this should not crash Unity anymore, but it should print out a list of messages. Yep. Okay, so let's test that now. So this shouldn't hang Unity, but it should print out a number of messages. Okay, so let's close this and check the messages. It's at 8. It's at 8. Okay, so we start from four, 6, and 8. Okay, third platform is at row 8. Let's see. Okay, one way we can change is that row and column is, instead of calling this here, since we do not need it for the second platform, and we also do not need it for the third platform, we will only call it on the fourth platform and onwards and onwards. Alright, so let's clear this and test that out. Okay, so no crash, but let's check out the messages. So as you can see, we get our third platform first, and our previous row index will start from 9 right away. Alright. Oh, oops. Okay, so now we can change back this, and we can comment this. That's weird. Okay, so hopefully this will not crash Unity again. Okay, so it's still crashing Unity. Okay, just waiting for it to load. Okay, let's try 1 to 3 instead. Okay, for some reason it's still causing the infinite loop. Previous row index. So the previous row index might start from around 8 or 9. Oh. Okay, I think I know why Unity is crashing. Okay, that is because the second and third platform are too low. Okay, what I mean. What I meant by that is that we need to reduce the or rather we need to bring the second and third platform closer to the first. Alright, so let's see. One, 3. Okay, let's start up Unity again. Okay. Okay, we are just waiting for the script editor to load. Sometimes it takes a while. Okay, so we have saved what we have edited. And so let's okay, wait, let me maximize this so that you can see it better. Okay, so it's still crashing. Okay, which means that this method isn't feasible as well. So instead what we can do is there is another situation with this method is that if we only go by row by row, for every row there will only be one platform, and that is kind of boring. Sometimes you need at least 2 platforms on the same row but at different columns. Okay, so which means that we have to do this another way. Okay, let's comment this. Comment this. Okay, let's comment this. And this. And this. And this. And this. And now we'll uncomment this, which is what we used previously. Alright, so let's start up Unity. Okay. Okay, now it should not hang. Okay, because we reverted to using the previous method. Okay, but okay, it's good that we did not use that method just now, because as you can see, having at least 2 platforms on the same row makes it more interesting. If we use that method just now, each row will only have 1 platform, and that is kind of boring. Yep. Okay, so another way of checking if there are no platforms in between from one platform to another platform, and that will cause, and thereby causing you to be unable to jump from the lower platforms to the top platforms. Another way of checking for that is to go through all of the rows and see if there is at least 3 consecutive rows that are not occupied. Okay, so once we detect that, we will create another platform in those rows. Alright, so let's do that. Check.